Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today we will be upgrading Windows Vista RTM to fully updated Windows Vista Service Pack 2. By the way, I will provide the original copy of Windows Vista RTM in the description, and I will also provide the updating files folder in the description. So let's begin the video.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, each hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
At first, we need to make automatic updates working on Windows Vista. To do that, we need to install the required updates one by one. So in the folder, I have mentioned the updates, which to install first. So first install Service Pack 1 update. After installing the update, install Service Pack 2 update. After installing Service Pack 2 update, install .NET 4.6 update. Now install Windows Update Agent 3.0. Now install the root update certificates. Now after installing the update certificates. In the folder, I have mentioned all the updates one by one. Install it one by one, and I will be back after the installation. Now inside the patch folder, first click on Install WUC. Now click on Patch WUC. Then type 1 and press Enter to patch the Windows Vista. Now we are ready to install the automatic updates. Now change the settings of the updates, that to show the updates and let me know whether to download and install updates. Then click on Check for updates. Now after some time, these are the required updates. Now download and install them. That's it, we have installed all the updates. See you in next video. Peace.